Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that has been buzzing around the health and wellness world for years: apple cider vinegar. You've probably seen it in your grandma's pantry or heard influencers raving about it. But what's the real deal? Is it just a sour kitchen staple, or does it actually have some powerful health benefits? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about what apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it's often called, actually is. It's made in a two-step fermentation process. First, apples are crushed, and the juice is mixed with yeast to turn the sugars into alcohol. Then, bacteria are added to ferment the alcohol into acetic acid. That acetic acid is the main active component and is responsible for many of its purported health effects and its strong, sour taste. When you buy raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, you'll often see a cloudy substance floating in it. That's called the mother, and it's a mix of proteins, enzymes, and friendly bacteria, which many people believe is the source of its benefits. So, what are these benefits? One of the most well-researched is its effect on blood sugar levels. Several studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar responses after meals. For example, taking a small amount of ACV before a high-carb meal has been shown to significantly reduce the spike in blood sugar that typically follows. This could be particularly helpful for people managing their blood sugar, but of course, always talk to your doctor before making any big changes to your routine, especially if you're on medication. Next, let's touch on weight management. This is probably the most popular reason people start taking apple cider vinegar. The idea is that ACV can help you feel fuller, which might lead you to eat fewer calories throughout the day. Some studies support this, showing that people who took ACV with a meal reported feeling more satisfied. The acetic acid might also play a role in boosting metabolism slightly. But let's be real here, it's not a magic potion for weight loss. It's a tool that might help a little when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Don't expect to drop pounds just by drinking vinegar. Another interesting area is gut health. Since ACV is a fermented product, it contains probiotics, those friendly bacteria that are great for your digestive system. The mother in unfiltered ACV is packed with these beneficial microbes. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to everything from better digestion to a stronger immune system and even improved mood. Plus, the acidic nature of vinegar might help kill off some harmful bacteria, acting as a natural antimicrobial agent. People have traditionally used it to clean and disinfect, and some of that power might apply internally as well. Now, how do you actually use it? The most common way is to dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons in a large glass of water and drink it before a meal. And I have to stress the word dilute. Straight apple cider vinegar is highly acidic and can damage your tooth enamel and your throat. So please always mix it with water. You can also get creative and use it in salad dressings, marinades, or even add a splash to your tea with some honey and lemon. It's a versatile ingredient, so don't be afraid to experiment with it in your cooking. Before we wrap up, a word of caution. While apple cider vinegar is generally safe for most people, it's not for everyone. The high acidity can be an issue for some, and it can interact with certain medications like diuretics or insulin. Starting with a small dose is always a good idea to see how your body reacts. And as always, if you have any underlying health conditions, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider first. So to sum it up, apple cider vinegar shows some real promise for helping with blood sugar control, supporting weight management efforts, and promoting a healthy gut. It's not a cure-all, but it can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. What are your thoughts? Have you tried apple cider vinegar? Let me know your experiences in the comments below. I love reading your stories. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.